Kung Fu Tai-Ju-Ki Do Volume 1 book by Darin Martineau. With over 35 years of dedicated martial arts experience, training with over 5 grandmasters, Darin Martineau presents Kung Fu Tai-Ju-Ki Do Volume 1, an in-depth introduction to his dynamic and effective new martial arts system, Tai-Ju-Ki Do, drawing from decades of hands-on training, real-world applications, and refined teaching methods. Darin Martineau shares a practical approach designed for both beginners and experienced martial artists seeking to sharpen their skills and learn effective self-defense. This book delivers proven steps and strategic principles for real-world self-defense. Readers will explore the powerful and disciplined art of Shaolin Kung Fu, while developing practical street-ready skills rooted in timing, positioning, and controlled force. The techniques are broken down in a clear, step-by-step format, making them easy to understand and apply in realistic scenarios. Inside, you'll discover exclusive self-defense techniques and devastating combinations, along with effective defenses against grabs, pushes, punches, and kicks. The book also covers throws, punching mechanics, hand strikes, dynamic kicking techniques, baseball bat defense, traditional kung fu strikes, and much more. Beyond physical techniques, Volume 1 emphasizes awareness, mindset, and confidence, essential elements that transforms technique into true self-protection. Whether your goal is personal safety, improved fitness, or deeper martial arts knowledge, this comprehensive guide provides a strong foundation in the powerful system of Tai-Ju-Ki Do. Click the link below to get this book now.